Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here at the workbench, planing away at a piece of hickory. There was a request for me to show some hickory. So I just happen to have this one board and see how that blade is set up? You're getting feathering on both sides. It's got a very, very slight camber on it. So hickory, also known as northern pecan, is a hard wood, but there are, just like the oaks, there are a variety of different hickories. Off the top of my head, and you can go Google it, off the top of my head, there is what we call shag bark and smooth bark. There's one called pig nut. I know there's a bitter nut. And some of them are a lot heavier than others. But this particular board I saved because I liked the texture. We're not quite there yet. We got a holler in the middle here. Once again, you look at the shaving, feathering on both sides. So we got that set up pretty good. If you are in the home center and you go to the kitchen cabinets, you'll look at hickory cabinets. I'm just advancing the blade ever so slightly. And you'll see they are wildly variegated in color. It's not my favorite. All right. Almost got it all. There we go. So hickory, northern pecan. It has a texture, kind of all of its own. I would compare it to ash, oak combination, maybe a little elm. You get these markings. You've got the heartwood is brownish, sapwood is white. It's a lovely wood. Makes great tool handles. Edge planing is a dream. Always is. See? Beautiful. What I'm using here is the Lake Erie Toolworks blade. There you go. Lake Erie Toolworks. That's that MagnaCut. I think that's the name. I did a video of it a few videos back. Keep using it to see how it lasts. Excuse me. That's about it for today. So glad you could be with me here. It means a lot to me. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Share the channel. And we must be approaching 375 or more videos. Some of my videos had to do with my wife's sewing. Some of them had to do with our dogs, but that's very few. Go back and check out the plane videos. I did some wood turning videos. Go back and look at some of the old ones. Play them. Get them on your computer. Turn them on. Watch them. If you have to walk away, you have to walk away. But I would say by weight, it's between red and white oak. Okay? Go to the wood database. Go online, go to wood database. Wood database. And look up hickory. And then look up the weights of the different hickories. Then look up white oaks. Get the different weights. Look up black oaks. Look up red oaks. And do some comparisons. But it's a beautiful wood. Look at the shine. And that's off a number 6. That's not even a smoother. When I go to finish something like this, I'll take out my smoother. There's a little bit of grain change here. I don't know if you can see it. Right in here. A little bit of grain change. See that dull spot right there? Nothing to worry about. Head out to your shop. Go make some shavings. Walter out.